The interesting thing buying cameras is you never know what might turn up next. And it is strange how things often happen in groups. So, for example, when I was looking particularly at plastic cameras, I kept finding plastic cameras. And it's a bit like that with pre-Second World War folding cameras at the moment. I seem to keep finding them. And this is what we've got today. A 1920s fold-out camera. And if I fold it out here, I'm just going to adjust. Yeah. So what have we got? We've got a camera called an Ensign Carbine. And these were originally produced by a company called Butcher. And they formed with another company called Howden and became Howden and Butcher. And Howden and Butcher had the marquee of the Ensign name, the trade name, and Ensign cameras were incredibly popular. But this dates from about 1928, I would say. And it's a nice quality camera. It's not the highest quality camera, but it's a nice, good camera. Where I'm going to start with the back of the camera, because if I take the camera back off, you can see that it's roll film and that it's actually 120. I haven't actually tried this because the back is very loose and I think it will probably is letting a lot of light in. But if I put the back up, you can see it has a removable plate here that you could have attachment and you could actually put plate film on. So it's a roll film camera which would also double for plate film. So let's see how you would use the camera. You would obviously, you've got a viewfinder here where you can either use it in portrait mode, or if you are going to use it in landscape mode, you turn it around like that. You have a little spirit level here, which is quite sweet. Focusing is here. The focusing is very, very clear. Infinity. And to actually move it up and down, you actually, from my memory, you squeeze this. You squeeze that lever there and then it will move, but you've got to squeeze that and it will lock in to infinity. So that is an infinity lock there. You've got shutter speeds here. It's actually a simple spring shutter. It's an Aldous f7.7 lens, so it's not the fastest lens, but as I said, this is a medium quality camera, quite nicely made. As I said, unfortunately the back is so loose I wouldn't actually trust it with a film. Maybe at one stage I will get an opportunity to work on the back and see if I can make it a bit light proof. So I'm afraid there's no photographs to show today, but it's a nice English camera in nice condition. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.